All right, guys, sorry about that. All right, we are back. Let me get over to you guys. All right, all right. I think that's gonna work better. All right, guys, you guys drop in the chat on what chart you want me to analyze and take a look at. Like I said, I am here. Uh, Pound USD, waiting for uh this play to play out for me. Uh, Hopefully, me changing these settings on the stream. All right, sorry guys, got a little distracted. Like I said, drop in the chat if you have a pair that you would like for me to analyze for you guys, and we'll get that done for you. Okay, let's see. All right, so yeah, just waiting for that to touch down. Let's see, SPX 500. Really still waiting for that to do its thing before I consider taking any plays there with my personal trading. Um, see Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Um, Supply is definitely in control right now. Uh, you can see where price came up into this institutional distribution area. All right. And we've seen where 4 hour supply has been created. Um, Currently, this demand has been violated and removed. Uh, we do have uh, a supply here. We do have a supply here. Excuse me, a yeah, supply here. So what I'm going to do is, for me, this has already been violated. So we are going to add this as a strong supply. All right. Um, we have potential imbalance building up here. So um, yeah, that is the NAS 100 USD currency pair based off of the ON the breaker, excuse me, broker. Uh, sure. And you guys remember, if you want me to analyze uh, an instrument for you, to drop it in the chat. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at US 30. US 30 is consolidating between demand and supply right now. Um, Based on market structure, I would say demand is in control. Um, we've had, let's see, break of this high. All right. And this low has yet to be broken. This low has been broken. Okay. Um, which further gives us the evidence that it's just kind of, it's still a battle between supply and demand right now. That's why we have the little bit of consolidation. Um, However, we're showing a buildup of lower time frame liquidity. Excuse me, not lower time frame, but low side liquidity building up here, as well as high. But uh, the low kind of jumps out to me because we kind of have this uh, flagpole with a rising flag type pattern. So that is that. All right. Sorry that my phone is going crazy this morning. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's see here. This US 30. Let's skip that. Let's take a look at gold. You guys always like gold. Um, Short-term currency bias for gold is short. Um, Price is kind of ranging in between strong supply, strong demand right now. Um, um, Seemingly more reason for this pair to go to the upside um, right now, but we do have candle imbalance down here at the bottom here. So we could definitely see gold begin to head downward. Um, I don't think it will. All right. All right. Sorry about that. Wife's just bringing me some coffee. All right. Let's drop down to the 1 minute chart on gold. Let's see. Yeah, I can definitely see that play. I missed the boat on that one. Let's jump back over and see how SPX 500. See how this is building up for us. Let's see, SPX 500. Guys, let me know what pair you want me to analyze and take a look at for you, and we'll do that. Otherwise, we're gonna sit right here on S&P 500. Watch this price action build up. Sitting inside of mitigated 4-hour demand here on the S&P 500. Nice buildup of lower time frame supply. Possibly see, let's see, price come up, fill in some sell orders here. We can look left, see if there are any maybe some lower time frame targets we can see price go down to that have already been created and unmitigated. All right, that's not a candidate. You know, we can chart it. Like, yeah, no, that may be a candidate. Let's see. Let's see. This may be a candidate, even though it's not an extreme. All right. So no on that one. No on this one. Okay. Go for this one. Okay. Still alive. Barely. Probably gonna get some reaction off of that today. Yep. Probably gonna get a reaction off of that. But again, it's not my time to trade. This price action is still being built out. Got about what, 30, 40, about 41 more minutes for one price to build out and do its thing. Now you can't, if you want, you can jump in and take some like transitional, scalps, uh, but that would be your thing. All right, let's see. Again, we are in mitigated 4-hour demand on the S&P 500, excuse me, SPX 500 USD, and we've got a unmitigated 5-minute demand zone there. You want to see if that's gonna hold or if it's gonna give. So that's kind of where we are. All right, you guys can drop in the chat if you want me to take a look at a pair. And I will do that. Market analysis, market watch. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, still letting price action play out on the S&P 500. Let's hop over to pound USD where I have a setup. Have a setup waiting. See if it gets filled today, this morning, this week. Who knows if it will or if it will not. But this is the play that I have for pound USD that I'm waiting on. Let's take a look at another favorite pair of mine, which is Ozzy USD. Um, Ozzy USD. It is the short-term currency bias is short. However, I believe uh, based on my analysis, right, if you can get into a premium short position, uh, you will be able to position trade this to the downside, right? Um, so, I mean, with that being said, without giving away too much, I will share a little bit with you. Aussie USD. Let's go at the DXY. The short-term currency bias for the DXY is bullish. So it does make perfect sense for Aussie USD short-term currency bias to be bearish. Now, uh, the the institutions have recently uh, unloaded as well as uh, I'll say it like this, they've unloaded a bunch of long positions for the Aussie as well as loaded a bunch of short positions for the Aussie here recently. So I would say if we can get a premium sell position on Ozzy. We'll be holding this for a long time. All right. We can be holding this for a long time. We are currently sitting inside of institutional distribution right now. All right. Uh, as well as we have an unmitigated institutional accumulation down here. All right. If we can time this correctly, all right, uh, we may already, I mean, we may have even missed out on it. Let's see. Let me take a look at the 1 minute really quick. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So I'll be looking for some pullbacks here into some supply. Um, maybe, let's see, that's on the 15 minute. We may get that today. Very possible. Let me grab this. We may, guys, we may get this today. Very possible that we may get this today. Um, as a matter of fact, take a look here. Even if we refine that zone, I would kind of be a little leery of this, just simply because um, here on the 5 minute, we have a lot of imbalance that still needs to be filled. Um, so that 15 minute may not hold there. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. And I mean, clear as day, guys. I missed this. Why didn't you guys tell me? I don't appreciate that. All right, y'all holding out on me. But you guys let me miss this 15 minute supply right here, a mitigated supply. Yeah, so this is the one that this is the pullback that I would be looking for here on pound USD to possibly again, guys, hold this down until this unmitigated. Let me make sure we're unmitigated. I mean, I wouldn't have it on the chart if I wasn't able to. But this unmitigated accumulation right here. Um, so yeah, let me put that in. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, and I'll tell you what, we'll just do an alert for here. Let's pop an alert in right here. Let's go ahead and adjust this so we'll know what it is when it comes across. Crossing up every time. I want a 15 minute supply. Bam. All right, so that's in play. That's in play on Ozzy USD. What was the other pair? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna share with you guys on the pairs that I believe that we're going to be able um, to position trade on for a short period of time. Give me 1 second, let me pull up my chart. All right, give me a second. All right, pound USD. All right, Aussie USD, pound USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, and USD Mexican peso. If we can get some premium positioning on these five pairs, you should be able to position trade these and hold them for a little while. Now, I'm thinking short for Aussie, long for pound, short for euro, uh, short for USD JPY, and short for the Mexican peso. All right, come on, man. All right, let's see here. What time is it? It's 10:02. All right, almost ready. Almost ready here. Oh, did we get that tap in? Yep, we got that tap in. All right, we got that tap in. Okay. Uh, let's see if that does anything. All right, and I'll get into what I was just talking about here in a second, guys. But I just want to take a look and see how the SPX 500, how that price action is being developed. All right. All right, demand is being tested. Let's see if it's going to go ahead and take control. Okay. All right. All right, guys, give me a quick second. I'm going to be right back, okay? Give me a quick second.